Hello, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 5 Mark III. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning enter settings, go to security, screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's go with the non. Now swipe, password, pin, and pattern. Now we can select fingerprint and set our fingerprint as unlock method. Our fingerprint scanner is right here. So let's scan my fingerprint. And now we can use it to unlock the phone. Last way to unlock the phone is smart lock, which you can use to unlock the phone using other devices, like smartband or smartwatch. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.